In this video, I will show you how to verify KYC in Gate.io. So first of all, open up your Gate.io app, and from your home tab, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top left. And from here, we're going to click on the arrow at the top right next to profile and settings. And from here, we're going to click on KYC identity verification from our profile tab. And right now, as you can see, it is unverified. So in order to verify this, we're going to click on this, and then you'll be taken through the process. So you need to do an identity verification and an address verification, and then you have your verification completed. So the first step is to go through the identity verification, and this review time will take around 2 minutes. So if you want to start, go ahead and click on the blue button, Verify Now, and then select your nationality and your country of residence, and also make sure that your country of residence is in this list. If it is not in this list, then Gate.io is probably not available in your country, so then you won't be able to use all the features, and then you also won't be able to verify your address after this step. So I hope this video helped you out. You just need to go through the process, as I already mentioned, and that is how you do it. Thank you for watching, and please leave a like and consider subscribing.